Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at Audacious, one of the best lightweight music players for Linux. If you're on Ubuntu and you want something simple, fast, and super customizable, Audacious is a great choice. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Audacious on Ubuntu step by step. Let's get started. First, open your terminal and update your system. Next, add a PPA. This one provides the latest stable Audacious release. Run the update command again. Now install Audacious. This installs the player plus the plugin pack, so you get full audio format support. And that's it. You've successfully installed Audacious on Ubuntu. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.